Everyone makes micro-investing for beginners sound like a cheat code to getting rich. It is not. Investing $100 a month won't make you rich. There, I said it. And any channel promising you a Lamborghini from pocket change is lying. But here is what $100 a month actually does. And honestly, it matters more than getting rich. Meet Wally. Here is the thing nobody tells you. The first job of $100 a month is not to make you rich. It is to make you a person who invests. That is the whole game early on. Because the market does not reward the smartest person. It rewards the one who is still there in 10 years. And most people, they are gone by month 3, just like Wally almost was. So let's give Wally a system that survives real life. Not a perfect spreadsheet. 5 steps. Step 1. Automate it before later you can talk you out of it. Because later you is tired. Later you is stressed. Later you just saw a 30% discount. You do not invest with willpower. Willpower clocks out at 6 p.m. You invest with a setting. Set the transfer for the day after payday and forget it exists. Step 2. Start ugly. Wally wanted to wait until he had the perfect broker, the perfect fund, the perfect $1,000. No. Open one beginner brokerage account. Put the $100 into one broad index fund. Done. Perfect is powerful, but repaired can be stronger. A messy account that exists beats a perfect one you never opened. Step 3 is the one that actually keeps Wally in the game. Never miss twice. Here is what will happen, because it happens to everyone. One month, life throws something at Wally's face. Car, bill, surprise expense. He skips his $100. And in that moment, he has 2 scripts. He can say, I failed already, what's the point? And quit. Or he can say, missed once, I just don't miss twice. That is the whole rule. You are allowed to miss. You are not allowed to miss twice in a row. Because wealth does not begin when life is perfect. Wealth begins when one mistake does not make you quit. Okay, steps 4 and 5 are where the $100 quietly turns into something real. And if this is making you want to actually start, instead of waiting for the perfect month, comment, start. That is it. Just type it. Because saying it out loud is step 0. And later, you will pretend you never read this. Step 4. Raise it without feeling it. Every time Wally's income goes up, a raise, a side gig, anything, he bumps the $100 to $120, then $150. He never sees the money, so he never misses it. This is the quiet trick, not bigger sacrifices, just tipping his future self a little more on totally normal income. Step 5, and this one is psychological. Stop checking the balance. Early on, the number is small and boring, and it will beg you to quit. Wally checks it twice a year, not because checking is bad, because checking early is when good investors panic and break a system that was working fine. Here is the way to think about your first $100. It is not a magic trick. It is not a get-rich button. It is you, today, grabbing future Wally by the shoulders and going, bro, we are saving money now. I got you. Because real life does not care about the spreadsheet. Real life does not ask, excuse me, Wally, is now a good month for a surprise expense? No, it just throws it at his face. And the $100 system is the thing that catches it, quietly, automatically, every single month, even the hard ones. The best money system is not the one that works when you feel disciplined. It is the one that still works when you don't. So, 5 steps. Automate it. Start ugly. Never miss twice. Raise it quietly. Ignore the balance. None of that requires you to be perfect. None of it requires a perfect month. It just requires you to not stop. $100 a month won't make you rich, but it will make you the kind of person who is still investing in 10 years. And that person ends up wealthy. Not by being perfect, just by not quitting. This is Wallet Level Up, real money lessons for real life. Because some months are hard, some plans break, some people start late. And none of that means the story is over.